Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by making the rifle safe. Remove the magazine and lock the bolt open, then visually and physically confirm the chamber is empty. Once done, point the muzzle in a safe direction and release the charging handle to close the bolt if needed. This stabilizes the takedown area. Make sure you have a bench block and a properly sized punch. Those tools guide the pin and prevent marring the receiver. Now position the receiver on the block. With the front you place the punch on the head of the front takedown pin and tap carefully with a light hammer. The goal is controlled, incremental movement rather than brute force. Because the detent and spring sit under tension, taper your punches so the pin clears the detent and slides free. This avoids losing the spring. Once the pin protrudes, stop tapping and use needle nose pliers or your fingers to finish pulling it out straight. Keep tension on the receiver to prevent twisting or binding. You withdraw the pin fully and immediately secure the detent and spring so they don't escape. Use the tray or a small parts container. If the pin binds, don't force it. Partially back it out, apply a drop of penetrating oil, and try a slightly smaller punch while tapping from the opposite side. That reduces galling. Once removed, inspect parts for wear, then reassemble in reverse order, function check the rifle, and confirm the safety and bolt operate correctly before returning to service.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.